I couldn't make it, not without you. You saved me. I would have failed, but for your help. I would have drowned in the kelp. Without your love, I would be lost, paying the ultimate heavy cost. Implied conditions hidden inside, with you right here by my side. For you, that's what I say. I would be nothing, I would be small, but for your hand I would fall. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The car would have crashed, but for the brakes, learning from all of our mistakes. Without the map, we would have strayed. Think of the plans that we had made. In different circumstances, I might agree, but for the truth you told to me. But for you, that's what I say. I would be nothing, I would be small, but for your hand I would fall. If it hadn't been for your praise, if there wasn't, if I didn't have, but for the traffic, but for the music, life would be silent without you.